Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I create digital products and videos, all things I. That's anything that you could do on your iPad that you used to do on paper. If this sounds fascinating to you, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have something cool to show you. All right, if you recall in the last video, I showed you how to color on your iPad in Procreate. If you missed that video, I will put a link to it down in the description, and that way you can go and watch that one too, because this is a really cute idea for something that you can do with the images that you color on your iPad. So what you're looking at on my screen, I colored a little heart and I made a sticker out of it, and I went a little further with that sticker and I put it on some sticky notes. And on the right side of my iPad, what you're looking at is Keynote, and on the left you're looking at my iPlanner. The reason that I like to keep my windows open side by side is I can drag over things from Keynote right onto the planner page that I want to place it. So to do this, I tap somewhere on the screen outside of the design and I hit Select Objects, Select All, and then Done. So everything is selected now. Now I'm going to press and hold until I see the sticker jump off the page a little bit, and then I just drag it over to my planner page. And so now I've got a couple of really cute stickers with something that I colored in Procreate. So let me go over to Procreate and show you how this is done. All right, so in the last video, you recall, I started using this coloring page to color, and I went ahead and finished the cake. And so now what I want to do to make this cake a sticker, I'm going to zoom in on it as close as I can, and then I'm going to do a screenshot. And to do a screenshot, I'm going to take my Apple Pencil and I'm going to put my Apple Pencil down here in the corner, and I'm just going to swipe in. And now I have my screenshot made. Now I'm going to go ahead up here in the left corner. I'm going to select Done, and I want to save this to my photos. All right, so now I want to go back to Keynote to get this sticker ready for my planner. And I'm going to add a page to this existing file that I have open. So I'm going to tap the plus down on the bottom. And I'm going to add a blank page. And now I want to add an image. So I'm going to tap the plus at the top. And now I want to tap photo or video, and I'm going to grab that photo. Let me get this screen a little bit bigger since that's the one I'm working on now. So now what I want to do is erase the background and crop out some of what's on this sticker. So for that, I'm going to tap on the paintbrush, and then I'm going to select Instant Alpha. And I want to put my pencil in the white area and just swipe out till all the white that I want to disappear is gone. And that looks good. And of course, if I wanted the white in this to disappear, I would have to do that separately. As you can see, anything that has a border around it, you'd have to do separately. But I'm not going to need that. Now I want to crop this. So I'm going to tap on it. Whoops, I need to tap Done. Now I'm going to tap on the image, and I'm going to go ahead and bring these blue dots in to crop out as much of the background as I can. All right, so now my sticker is made. I can go ahead now and select it, copy it, go to one of my sticky notes, and then paste it. And I might just tilt it a little bit. I'm going to put it down on the bottom right. So I not only have a sticker, but I also have a sticky note with that sticker on it. So now I'm going to press and hold and drag this sticker onto my planner. And I can tilt it, straighten it, however I want it. And then I'm going to tap on my drawing area in Keynote, and I'm going to select Objects, select All, and then Done. And now I'm going to drag the whole sticky note, including the sticker, onto my planner. And that's all you have to do. I hope you enjoy creating stickers out of your coloring projects and also turning them into cards or sticky notes. The options are endless. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something in this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Until the next video, have an outstanding day. Bye.